Okay, boys and girls, we got an unboxing today. I hope you can see this. Lilly a while sent me a box, so let's open it up. Get out the trusty letter opener. Let's see what we got here. Just slice it open. Yeah. A lot of tape. Let's slap that pig open. And looks like a card. It's a card. And I think it's a sock. Yes, it's a sock puppet. Yay! And it has little arms, a little hatchet, and little things. That's pretty good. Oh, thank you, Lilly. Let's see what we got else here. Looks like a little patch. Thank you, Lilly. And I guess this is a Lilly puppet. Let's see. Yes, it's a Lilly puppet. I think it's a Lilly puppet. And we could fix it up. Yes, it's a Lilly puppet. Now, let's see what they sent me. They sent me a little note. See, Lilly in a Wild with a knife. Okay. Was the knife really good, Lilly? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Can't read it. Wait, gotta take this off. I can't see sometimes. One eye. Something in French, Nippon. Uncle Al, you are a gem. Thank you so much, Lilly and Noel. Well, thank you. And thank you, Ellie. And Mom in the Wild. Yeah, she got another box. It should be going out there pretty soon. Got to raise the funds. Okay, so I'm going to have a lot of fun. I'm going to fix this one up. Got a hole in it. So I got to fix it up. But puppets are fun. And thank you for the Uncle Allen patch. Puppet with a little hatchet and a little, I think it's a sigh. I think it's a sigh. Okay, and the patch. Thank you very much. And you should be guys getting a box of treats once I get everything sorted out. Okay, folks. Well, I'll catch you later. Thank you very much, Lilly and Noel. I'll catch you later. Love puppets. And that's, I think, Ellie or Lilly and Noel. I can't tell. I think it's Ellie. Okay, bye, folks. Catch you later.